Hey, how is it going? And welcome to my kitchen again. So today we'll do some more healthy stuff. We will cook today pea mint soup by French style. Basically it's low calories, high protein, quite healthy. It's the best way if you can find a natural, very young pea, like really juicy, really soft. It's the best way to do it. Also the good choice if you can buy some frozen one. And I didn't find any fresh one, so as example I take a canned one. But basically I will not suggest you to eat any canned food. The same like prisoners, as long as they stay in air, it's more dangerous it is. It's like full of preservatives and other sweeteners and other stuff what we don't need for kill our liver and kidney, but I'll use it just for example. And yeah, maybe I'll take a risk for try a bit. So for make this really creamy, I'll use a blender. Yeah, I'm lazy, so we'll use it in a really quick way. So basically you can check on yourself. It's gonna take less than 5 minutes actually. So we need, let's say if you have 1 glass of pea, frozen or natural or whatever, we need another 1 glass of water, maybe a little bit of water, and I'll use about a teaspoon of salt. But for now we use a canned one, so here I have salt already, put everything here. Then we need the same volume of mint. Same volume doesn't mean the same way. So also we use 1 glass of mint. And we put everything in the blender, we'll blend it up for make just one liquid. Okay, we'll do it really quick for save our time. And then we will boil it. We just get it to the maybe 90 degrees. So everything's supposed to take like maybe 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes actually. Initially you can add some pepper, if it's not salty, some salt. I use pink Himalaya salt. I think it's best what you can do. It's not really French style for add some garlic, but I like it, so we can do it in our way. And we'll add a little bit of pepper to make smells a bit better. That's it. Basically you can make a similar soup with other beans or pea also by adding a little bit different greens, so it will give you another aftertaste and taste a little bit different. So basically if you make just a pea soup or from young pea or from pea powder or whatever, it will be taste totally different compared if you make it, let's say, with a mint or basil or some other greens or spices. Usually you can add a little bit of oil, but you can add it afterwards when you will cook it for keep it good oils there. Okay, we will put a little bit of pepper. You can add a little bit of sesame seeds. We make it a little bit not standard, but still will be healthy enough. So if you have like a lot of pumpkins around or pea or other vegetables, or let's say the cabbage, you can make a creamy cabbage soup or whatever. Alright, make sure it became to the same mass, something like that. Okay, and we will wait until it gets boiled. So it will take, I don't know, 1-2 minutes. That's it. Yeah. We'll add a little bit of white pepper. Well, that's it, it's ready. Super quick, isn't it? Yeah, and as I promised, I'll try a bit. But basically I use can't be just for make a demonstration. Demonstration is small proof it's possible to cook something nice, healthy and good looking less than 5 minutes. Tastes not that bad. Same like in some French restaurants. Alright, if you don't like the video, don't subscribe, don't comment, don't share it, don't tell anyone at all. And if you like it, thank you for your support. See you tomorrow in my training and my kitchen too.